Welcome to this video on the integer sum solution. The challenge that was presented to you was a very simple challenge which involved asking the user for two numbers, such as 1 and 3 or 3 and 2, and adding these numbers up. In the program that was given to you, it didn't quite work, and you've been learning to work with integers. You should perhaps by now know how to convert string input, which is the default input, which is text, into an integer. It's worth remembering that there are many data types in Python. As an absolute beginner, we're just going to look at the first three, which is string, which is like text, something like Ruth or Jonathan, integer, which is a whole number, 33, 66, 10. We also have float, which is, think of it as a fractional or decimal number, such as 12.5. You can read more about data types and really learn about the different data types as you go through the Solve and Learn series in detail. For now, let's have a look at how to solve the solution. The first answer is the reason it's not adding up is because it's still treating these two numbers like text. So instead of 3 plus 2 being equal to 5, it is giving you 32 because it's just sticking the two numbers together. Instead, you need to convert each number into an integer, and then it would work. So let's have a look at how that would look. So we start our program. Good practice, just to have a little main function. And we're asking the user for two numbers. Now, it doesn't have to be called num1, it could be called x1, it could be called anything you like. So input, enter number 1, input, enter number 2. The answer is going to be simply number 1, but as we saw, if I put in 3 and 2, it gives me 32 instead of 5. The reason for that is these two variables need to be converted into integers. The input needs to be converted into an integer. You can do it either here, like that, open brackets, don't forget to close the brackets, or you could, however you wish to do it, you could also just do it here. Specifying to Python that you wish for these numbers to be treated as integers. So I'm going to get rid of this one here. This should give us a working solution. As you can see, it's working. To extend the challenge, you were asked to ask the user for 3 numbers, and that shouldn't be too difficult. You simply add in another variable. And then the answer would be equal to int num1 plus int num2, obviously plus int num3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 should give us 6, and it does.